Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to track your order on Stockx. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now to the end so you can get the full information. Now to track your order on Stockx, you would need to actually buy something first. So for example, I bought this product and then the next thing that is a requirement is that Stockx has already launched the shipment. As here from the Reddit article here, people are saying the same thing. So there are people like there is nowhere to find their order tracking code from StoreX. So I bought a pair of Chicago's from StockX, but the tracking code is nowhere to be seen. So this is the solution. So you will get a tracking once it ships from StockX. If you just bought them, you have to wait until the seller sends them to StockX. So this is very important. Now, as for other questions like when can you expect to receive the item, it's gonna be 5 to 12 business days. This time frame accounts for through shipping as well as their verification process to ensure quality standards and other stuff. So you need to wait a little bit of time, but eventually once the actual seller sends the product to StockX and StockX send it to you, there then you will have the basically the tracking code where you'll be finally having the actual ability to track your orders, and your orders are going to be here in buying section. So go here and basically wait for the update that's going to be on this page. So you simply have to wait for your order here. As long as you have made your order, you just wait for it here and you will receive the news and anything related to it from this page. So you'll have the tracking code, which eventually you can use it in the platform of the delivery service, and then you will know where it is on the map or basically what step it is on. And yeah, this is basically it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave us a like, a comment, and if you do have any more questions about StockX and any other platform, make sure to leave us in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.